Mukbangs! Woo, we love mukbangs. I'm not really excited for today's video, but my friends told me to do it, and I was like, you know what, that's a good idea. And I fell down a mukbang rabbit hole, so I was like, let's film and do it for the clickbait. So today, oh shoot. Ooh, ramen. We're doing, I don't even know, it's like the fire noodle challenge, but not really. This is the brand. I have no spice tolerance, so I'm gonna die. I got tissues, a trash bag, in case got some milk for the spiciness, and got my Lightning McQueen water bottle. Oh my god. Okay, let's put the vegetables in. That's great. Okay, let's mix it around a little bit. Okay, tasty. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how much spice I can tolerate. Cause it's not pretty. It's not a lot. Okay, let's hold on. Right here. I think it's about, hold on. About that much. Literally nothing. That much spice is how much I can handle. Whoa, whoopee. Okay. Anyway, it's gonna be great. Let's put the rest of this in. I'm gonna die. Love that. Wow. That's so much spice. Let's mix it up. It smells so great. Okay, and we are all done mixing. Ooh, okay, this is what it looks like. It's not even that red. I'm pretty sure like any normal person can handle this, but I'm not a normal person. I have no spice tolerance, so it's not even really a mukbang, but I just needed the clickbait title, whatever. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, bruh. Oh my god, it's so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god, I keep doing it though. Mukbang all the way. Oh my god, what the frick? I'm so weak. Oh my god. Yo, oh my god, I swear if I die, oh god, avenge me. Oh my god, what the frick? It's so bad. It tastes so bad. How do people eat spicy food? What the heck? Oh my god, I don't even think I'm gonna finish this. Oh my god, I swear I'm gonna actually die. If I eat more of it, maybe it'll go by faster. It just feels like, oh bad. I'm dying, what the frick? Oh my god. I think I lost my taste buds. Oh my god. Oh, this is not an act. Oh my god, it's so bad. This isn't even like. This ramen isn't even like fire noodle. Like what? I'm not gonna be able to finish this. Oh my god. Maybe if I just get halfway. Oh my god, my butthole's gonna feel it tonight. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm actually like doing better than I expected, but dang. Oh my god, that's. Oh, what the frick? Oh my god. Oh my god. The snot's coming out now, guys. Okay. Oh, now it's coming. Oh, that hurts. You know what? If anybody tells you you're a pussy and you can't handle spice, show them this video because I'm the real pussy here. Oh my god. Oh my god, my stomach's. Oh no. It's so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm actually gonna die. What the frick? Yeah, I don't think I can do this anymore. If I do, I'm gonna die. My butthole's gonna. Oh, the toilet's gonna feel my wrath. What the frick? Ooh, my stomach. Ooh. You know what? I think I can breathe fire now. What the frick? Oh my god, no. I'm actually gonna die. What the frick? Oh. Yeah, okay, I'm not doing this anymore. Yeah, so, this is how much I managed to finish. It's still have, like, so much more. I can't do it anymore. Oh, I'm so weak. I'm probably just gonna save this for my dad. What the frick? Look at that, it's not even that red. Oh my god, I'm such a pussy. Okay, yeah, I'm weak. That was really bad. My stomach's hurting. My nose is starting to droop. I'm like starting to sweat. I think I'm gonna die. So we're just gonna settle for a cheeseburger because we can't be eating this spicy ramen anymore. So, oh, food.